The previous training video demonstrated how to set up a new database in Proppant Manager. After creating that database, the next step towards being able to use the test information in PredictK is inputting all the data into Proppant Manager. Since much of the discussion on the various inputs would include information proprietary to the Proppant Consortium members, there won't be a video discussing this process. However, the important inputs are generally fairly straightforward. The most important are the sieve analysis and the final connectivity values from the Proppant testing. For Proppant Consortium members, a great deal of information is available on the Proppant Consortium website. There you can find additional training materials on Proppant Manager and PredictK, in addition to all of the consortium data from the past 30 years. Access to the site can be obtained through our IT department. The database I have shown contains some test data on a generic 2040 sand that I will be using to run the correlations. Running the correlations will allow Proppant Manager to calculate all the coefficients that PredictK uses in its model. To begin the process, click Auto Calculate at the top of the screen, and then update all fields. First, a screen will pop up showing the width data and some of the coefficients. There is nothing to do on the screen, so just click Close. Next, the permeability correlation screen appears. There's a lot that can be done on the screen, but I will just cover the basics. The box with the numbers at the bottom right shows the tests that are available. Clicking the check boxes shows or hides the data, in addition to determining whether or not that test is used in the correlation. At the top of this area is a box that contains all the correlation coefficients. StimLab has developed a standard procedure for determining the values of the four constants at the top of the list. First, set the sharp and exponent to 2, and then delete the values for K0 and S trans. Press the best fit, and you'll get an initial value for S trans. Delete the top 3 coefficients, and then press best fit again to find values for these coefficients. And you'll notice now that line goes through the testing data. The last step is to click the Close button. Uncheck Save Fit to Proppant, and then press OK. Proppant Manager has now calculated all the coefficients needed for PredictK for this Proppant, and you are ready to move on to the next video in this training series, exporting Proppant Manager results to PredictK. Please contact me at steven.driley@corelab.com if you have any questions or need help accessing the Proppant Consortium webpage.